At the starting of his career, he joined GAIL. Then he has joined BSC Quality Services Noida as an associate process engineer. Currently working in Samsung Engineering. He also awarded from Amul Vidya Bhushan Award. So without wasting much of your time, I will like to call Vimal Kumar to take up the session. Yes, Vimal. And please welcome Vimal Kumar by
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
round of applause. Yes, Vimal.
Thank you so much, and good afternoon, and namaskaram to everyone here. What a wonderful introduction, sir. Thank you so much for that. Been very glad for this.
We are also very glad. We are very proud of you.
Thank you.
So we wish you that all the best for your future also. That is
Thank
not.
you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, and so lovely to see Abhishek Shukla, sir, and thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Recently, I visited college, and so we just had a word with sir regarding that. And I see Digvijay sir also. Good afternoon, sir. Very good afternoon. And Vinay Singh sir, I guess Professor Pramod sir is also there. Vipin sir is also. Sir, good afternoon to each and everyone. And
Good afternoon, very good. Good afternoon,
so
Vimal.
pleasure,
I'm
pleasure
happy,
to, pleasure to.
very happy to see you here.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So it's a pleasure, sir. I was not unfortunate. I was not able to meet you when I visited for short duration.
That's not a problem. Please continue your session.
Sure, sure, definitely. So yes, so speaking about the journey in JUET, it's been an overwhelming and an amazing experience. What I spent my 4 years in JUET. I was a day scholar. I used to visit from the GAIL Vijaypur campus to the college, and I studied chemical engineering from 2011 to 2015. So, and also as Abhishek sir said that I contributed in most of the time in establishing media wing inside the college, so that it is beneficial for not only for me but for the upcoming students who has their interest in photography. So you might have heard of, you might have seen the Three Idiots movie. So if one can devote to another field, so definitely he or she can definitely switch to that. So that's what we did in college. Also, I was involved in all other activities. There was a departmental society that we were having in the chemical engineering, and it was covering a lot of aspects of organizing events and all. Then the JYC was there. So what I want to convey to the freshers, to the new joinees who have joined this college, that first of all, you will love this college. Why? Because it has a beautiful campus, beautiful lake. At that particular area, you cannot find any college that can compete. Also, the academics is very good. The faculties are very amazing, and you can have a very beautiful conversation, or like they are your guy, in a way they are your you can say mentor in total aspects, to groom you, to make you a better human being than the rest of the others. And definitely you can stand out from the people who are involved in a lot of activities. And I would say that utilize these 4 years, okay, these 4 years in building yourself. Job you will definitely get as per the academic and the placement record of our college, and also your depending upon your skills also. But the most important thing that you will learn, or you should learn here, you should focus much on grooming yourself and attend as many classes as you want apart from the college. Or if you want to have the right skills, there are millions of, you can say, resources available right now to groom yourself, to do something significant and make everyone proud, not even your faculty but your parents proud. So that will be a great or you can say satisfying moment for you and for your family and for the faculty, definitely. So also I would like to share that there is nothing you can say in there will be a lot of hurdles, lot of struggles in life, because seeing that this Diksha Aram program has been organized since a week, so you might have heard a lot of things about most of the eminent personalities that the college has arranged for you. So I will be stating my story only, that after 2015, I went into, you can say, a little off track, that some kind of a depression and anxiety, like regarding what to be done, what not to be done after college and all. So a lot of thoughts at that time. So, but you should never give up in any circumstances, in any situations. That if you think that, oh, that particular person has more package than me, that particular person has more sources or more resources than me, you should not focus on that. So instead of blaming to everyone that iski galti se mere ho gaya, iski galti se ho gaya, iski galti se, so you should not much be focus on that. You should fix this one. I guess if you fix this one, everything in the life, everything in the world will be sorted out, and the new opportunities will definitely come up. Because there was a time when I was dealing with these depression issues and anxiety issues, but later on it unfolded into a very beautiful thing. So then I was working at GAIL India Limited, Vijaypur, as a in a plant operations, mainly in the offsite area. For the background, if the people are looking forward that what I'm doing, so that's what I will be telling now. I was working as a in plant operation, mainly on the DCS panel to operate the offsite area that was handled in the C2 C3 plant at Vijaypur campus. Then my family and I shifted to Noida here. Then I joined VCS Quality Services Private Limited as an associate process engineer, in which mainly it is a PMC company, that is what we call as project management consultancy. So it comprises of all the engineering activities that you will definitely be learning in the college itself. For the chemical engineering students, if mechanical, chemical, and civil are there. So heat transfer, mass transfer, the thermodynamics, the fluid mechanics, these subjects you will come across at a later semesters. But these will be very helpful for you. Because if you know the basics of these things, definitely you can go into any engineering company or any PMC company. So that's what I was doing in that. So my job and responsibilities were mainly to design, to make some process calculations for the client like GAIL, ONGC, IGL, and Assam Gas Limited. So and handling most of the good projects across the country, mainly the pipeline projects. Then recently, in last year or so, before the lockdown, I switched on to the EPC industry, that is called Engineering, Procurement and Construction industry. So, and in that, Samsung is having a sub branch called as Samsung Engineering India. So it is having one offices in in different countries. So there is one office in India, which is called Samsung Engineering India, that I'm working there. So we are now basically designing and doing the calculations of plant and refineries, the oil and gas petrochemical complexes across the globe. So that's what a brief idea, like what I'm doing right now and what you can do. So how you can go there is simple. Like you should know some basic things if you are looking forward to go into a PSU. So definitely one should prepare for the GATE exam now, because it is mandatory for the GATE. If you are looking that, okay, I should start right now from the first year itself that I will be learning. So it should not be like that. So it can be done if you are, because in college हमारे पास बहुत time होता है, we got a lot of time. So instead of focusing that मुझे gate करना है, it's better to build your concepts, build your skills, build your personality with others, your relationship with others. So that will nurture you in a very big way. So, and also I would suggest that जिनसे भी आप यहाँ पे दोस्ती करोगे, that you will be remembering them for the rest of your life. Those will be a very fruitful kind of a relationship you will be having. Definitely there might be ups and downs. You might be aware of so many things, but being very focused on what you want to do, what you want to achieve, these 4 years will definitely be a crucial year. You should not be like, okay, I'm having only 4 years as of now and let's see what will be happening. Should not be like that. Should be much more focused, like what skills, what the right people I need to choose to be with, and those who can nurture me, and also you should also focus that wherever you will be going, you will be creating a more joyful and a more peaceful environment, so that one is not tensed when you are around. So this all the academics that can be taken care by the faculties, but I would suggest that instead of you can say the what we call as Ratna, you should much more focus on the practical applications of it. So for chemical engineering students, we have a very high quality engineering labs, chemical engineering labs, and I guess for every branch also, mechanical, civil, we used to visit the other labs also. They are highly equipped with very amazing infrastructure also. So one should definitely not miss these opportunities. Being in a very conducive atmosphere at the Guna, I know that from the city it is very far, but I guess this is a very right opportunity for you to grow. Don't look that अरे कहाँ गाँव में आ गए कहाँ is not should be not like that. Most of the classes are online these days, but once you visit the campus, maybe like after certain limitations, so you will have a very great time, and a very wonderful people are there whom you will be meeting them, who you will be remembering for the rest of the lives. And trust me, after 4 to 5 years, you will be where I am, and okay, let's connect with the old people. So these kind of nostalgic situations might definitely be there for you. Also, I will suggest that for the upcoming batches, you should not be much more focused on preparing the resume right from the first day itself. Take your time, and it takes a very crucial amount of time to build a resume so that you can be shortlisted. And there are a lot of alumni who are of our college who are being into very prominent kind of companies that you can definitely reach out to them. And being the part of JUET and the alumni network, as the Abhishek sir and the college is more profounding much more focused on the alumni aspects, it will definitely help you, because getting shortlisted is you can say one of the crucial thing in each and every company. When I joined Samsung, I was not knowing anybody from the college, but my senior from the chemical engineering batch was there itself, and unfortunately he was going to another company or business maybe, and then when I joined it, he was leaving. So you never know at which company, or you might get you can say face off with people. So build good relationships with your seniors, with your batchmates, and definitely do not indulge in other aspects also, because these might take you to a very off track. You should be much more focused what you want to do in life. And if you have the clarity, okay, if you are having that clarity that whatever you will be doing will be fruitful, not only for you, but for the betterment of the society, betterment of the people that are around you, definitely it will reflect more on your personality. So yes, and I'm really sorry if I'm boring you, but these are some of the points that one should definitely remember if one have to enjoy the college life. And also, I would say that explore each and everything that is happening in JUET in these 4 years. Every aspect, maybe let it be JYC, let it be any other departmental society, anything you can definitely explore, and so that or also you can have a wonderful conversation with all the seniors, all the faculty members, to choose what is right and what is wrong for you. So this apparently, I hope that Abhishek sir, I hope that I'm a little clear on what.
Yes, very clear. And thank you for guiding or inspiring our students, first year students especially, because this is the stage where it is in between, in a dilemma. The students are in dilemma what to do, either go for the placements, what is going to be the future, and whether we are going to enjoy the college. So this confusion has to be clear within themselves, and the alumni are the best source to guide them, to inspire them, and to tell what to do in which year they have to do what thing. So
Yeah.
that is very important. And thank you for guiding us. In between, if you have students, if you have any doubt, please ask. Meanwhile, Vimal, I want to ask one thing, that especially for the gate? Is it fruitful for the CSE? Like you are into the Samsung engineering, what is the scope of CSE or other branches in your organization or your like the same sector organizations?
Got it, sir. So yes, wonderful question, sir, and I would like to address that. Since it is an EPC industry, that is the engineering, procurement, and construction. So I am into an engineering division of it. So chemical, mechanical, civil, instrumentation, these branches are involved in the engineering aspects. And I'm really sorry for the computer science and for the electronics. Electrical, yeah, definitely there is a department, electrical. But for the computer science engineering and for the electronics, there is very little scope in these industries. Maybe you can get it, but the scope or the growth cannot be done for the computer science, but definitely for the other branches, because there are a number of companies, those who are doing the engineering. Basically, we design the piping and instrumentation diagram, the process calculations, and also computer science has a very, you can say, not that much effect in our organization. But for other organizations, definitely computer science is having a huge scope. But as of now, for this, it is having a less scope in that.
Great, Vimal. Apart from this, can you tell us that how the students can plan these 4 years so that they can get the confidence, they can get the skills, and get the higher package in the organization in coming days?
Yes, definitely, sir. And for these things, one should be definitely focused on the basics, as many of the alumni might have told you. So you can, from the first year or from the second year itself, first year it's like, okay, fine, you have to do certain topics, and most of these subjects are common to each and every branch. So, and you should prepare some good notes that, okay, this semester is having this kind of a, you can say, subject. For if you are preparing, one is preparing for GATE, suppose, so one should definitely look out what at which subject has which kind of a weightage, so that you can focus on that particular, or you can focus on your low key points, and in these 4 years definitely. And also, if you're seeking to have a very high package or something, so definitely work from the second year, or maybe you can enjoy the first year, then you can start more grooming yourself on the second year. Join some coaching if you want. There are online coachings if you are looking forward to it. And if you're looking for, suppose, acquiring the very high package, then develop your skills, because develop some certifications also. Get some certification done from the good universities, or any of the university that is providing, apart from the basic knowledge you are gathering. So one can definitely reach out to these skills and can definitely grab the package.
Okay, that's great. Apart from this, Vimal, last question I want to ask, because students have not raised much questions, so that I have certain doubts, so that I can be sure of that. So, Vimal, can you tell us that if we talk about the CSE, right, or any other branches, what is the role of this personality development, or you can say extracurricular activities, or taking part into the online competitions, either it's a technical or either in some other areas? What is the role in companies, like sitting in the companies as in the recruitment part?
Oh yes, the personality, definitely it helps a lot, because the way you speak, the way you are presentable to the people out there, and if you have the confidence, if you have the right confidence, even if you are wrong, that can definitely stand you out from the rest of the crowd. Because what the companies are looking forward is not that okay, you can do the work, or you can have a great knowledge or something like that. They are requiring that particular person who has the right confidence, who has the right skill, who has the right attitude towards the work. And one should definitely be devoted to whatever he's doing, and you should prove yourself, basically. You should not be like, okay, I have to, because when you are not indulged in personality development, you might lack in during the interviews. Maybe you might be very good in academics, very good in writing, very good in essay writing, or something like too good. But when it comes to do the presentability part, you are lacking for that. So if you are a very not that much of having a good confidence while talking. Definitely, you should groom yourself while talking to a mirror. In front of a mirror, you can have a word with them, or if you can have a very good friends whom you can talk to them regarding like English in not so high class of English is needed, very basic thing, but you should speak confidently. Each and every word should be precise and concise, that everybody is able to listen. And as Abhishek sir is telling, that whatever there are so many presentation or any competitions going on, you should definitely take part in these things. Whatever, if the college is arranging, definitely you should take part in that, because ultimately personality developments have a very big role in the organizations. How you walk, how you talk, how you sit, and even how you perform your task, that has having a very great impact. Because in today's era, in the technological in this kind of a technology era, people are more looking for the smart work instead of hard work kind of a person. So if you are a person with a very smart kind of abilities, and you can deliver the work in a very less time and very productive time and in a very correct way, definitely one companies will be hiring you, no question about that.
Okay, so that's great. Thank you, Vimal. Now this is the time to wrap up the session. So with the same thank you, I will going to give you the thanks, because of you have given us so information regarding how to do, what to do in these 4 years.
And
I am sure that students will be encouraged. Students will be beneficial from your information what you have given. And I will thank you for getting the session done by you, and be connected
and
for
sure,
the
sir,
future.
one thing I would like to,
Yeah.
to interrupt.
Yeah.
And because I being in the college for the 4 years, and after like it's been more than 6 years I've left the college. So definitely people go into a different kind of a mental stress or anxiety and these kind of things, because we are having a good, if even if we are having everything with us, but if our mental structure, if our mental ability and is not good, you cannot crack anything. You cannot you can say you might get anxious while doing the interview. You can be like you are prepared well, but you are not performing for that. So I would suggest that you can have some of the practices. You can do some exercises, take a fresh walk wherever you are having. Be connected with your friends, family members. Talk to the people whom you say that trust. Get into some practices like yoga or meditation if you want. Other activities you can do. There are a lot of times for that also, but if you are focused on building your career, definitely these things will have a very great impact to you, for your well-being, for everyone's well-being, for the personality that you are developing. Definitely. Sorry sir, I just interrupted you.
No, it's that's